to make a key holder that you can just hang to your door next to it. And you will need some screws, preferably with this part on top where there are no circular things, so you can hang the keys without getting them in the way. A piece of wood, get it as smooth and dry as you can. A pencil, just any kind will do, and a ruler. Even a house ruler could do, or art ruler, whatever. And then you need a saw to cut the wood and to smooth it out. So we're going to start with this. And after you've done that, see, just cut the raw edges off. You're going to need a drill, or if you don't have one, then you can just screw it in. Just screws these. Okay, so we're going to put it in. Okay. And now you're going to have to measure the spacing between the holes. Now we're just going to make 4 keys. Okay. So what's this measurement? This is 16. So 16 divided by 4. Okay, so 16 divided by 4. Okay, so every 4 centimeters we're going to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and do one. Okay. Once you've done that, you can get this screwdriver and the screws and put this over an edge where it may go through into the table. So I'm going to get one of these. If you don't have it, you can just sit on the board and attach it. To screw the first one in. Okay, let's do it. So once you've done that, see, you just put 4 screws in with the top sticking out. That's the part without the grooves where you would hang the keys, right there. Now here, we're going to write the name of the keys that are going to be hung there. So, you would normally get a piece of tape, but I don't really have any right now. You can probably find it at Aldi or something, or the general store. Just write the name of the keys here. So you write keys. These are the house keys, car keys, etc. And once you've done everything, it's going to be much more visible if you have tape underneath and you read it on the tape. So now all that is left is to drill it into the wall. You can do it the same by hand or by drill. Just drill it into the wall. You'll need a long screw for that. And yeah, that's basically all. Except for when you put the keys on, be careful to angle this up slightly so they don't just fall off. Even if there is a groove here, if they have a big ring on them, then they might fall off. So you might want to just put a board here, like a thin something, even a pencil. Just staple a pencil to the back, so when it goes onto the wall, it'll be kind of like that, so the keys don't just fall off. And yeah, there you have it.